In this video, I'll discuss some basic information regarding how the political science class works, class assignments, and the course website. Then I'll discuss the course material that would normally be covered during the first class of the session, which includes chapters 1 and 2 of the textbook, We the People. Before I discuss how the class works, let me just say that the ITV Political Science class is a very intense class. We'll be covering a semester's worth of work in less than half the time of a normal regular semester. And it's a class that's accepted by California State University and the University of California, and therefore must meet their standards. For most students, that means that it will require about 10 hours a week study and work besides the time you spend in class. And it will require a lot of internal motivation, self-motivation that only you can provide and only you can determine if you will provide. There will be assignments coming to you every week, discussions and quizzes that you'll need to finish during the time they're open. Because of the relatively small amount of time in class during the semester, there is less time for going over class material than in a regular class. So it'll be up to you to make sure you are on top of the material. There are 3 primary sources of information related to how this class works that I would like you to check and become familiar with. They are the class intro letter, the class website, and the Poli-Sci Etudes presentation with information on using the website. This is located on the resources page of the website. The class intro letter provides a class schedule, important dates, information on getting class videos and textbooks, and information on logging into the class website. The website includes the course syllabus, assignment instructions, required books, your grade book where you'll be receiving your grades, and other related class information. The syllabus provides additional information on class assignments and exams, the reading and video schedules, the course grade scale, and class requirements. Once you have checked these, you will be aware of key requirements for completing the class and doing well in it. Check the outline assignment. It is meant to prepare you for your final paper. Do your class intros discussion topic for an easy 6 points. This gives you a chance to introduce yourself to fellow class members, and it's meant to get you familiar with how to use the discussion forums on the class website. Each week there will be a new discussion forum topic and an online quiz that will open and be related to the class material for that week. After the date due, they will close, so make sure you do them on time. There will be a midterm and a final exam, of course, and a research paper to turn in, as well as some extra credit assignments. The instructions for all the assignments are on the class website. It would be a good idea to read the assignment instructions before the class starts. Then, if you have questions, we can discuss them in class. Feel free to contact me through the private message function of Etudes or by email if you have a question. Finally, let me say that in this class, reading the text and watching the class videos are integral parts of the course requirements. They are necessary to do well. I can't stress enough the importance of the text and the videos because there will be less class time than in a regular class. In the next section of the video, I will discuss some of the material in chapters 1 and chapters 2 of the textbook, We the People, scheduled for the first week. Read the material before the first class, and be aware also that there is a study guide and related slides that you can access from the resources page of the class website.